GitLab. In this presentation, we will explore GitLab, a powerful web-based DevOps platform that has gained significant popularity in recent years. GitLab is a comprehensive tool that provides a wide range of features for software development, collaboration, and deployment. At its core, GitLab is a Git repository manager, allowing teams to store, manage, and collaborate on their source code. However, GitLab goes beyond just version control, offering a suite of integrated tools that streamline the entire software development lifecycle. One of the key reasons why GitLab is important is that it provides a centralized platform for managing all aspects of the development process. This includes features like issue tracking, project management, continuous integration and deployment, and more. By having all these tools in a single platform, teams can work more efficiently and effectively, reducing the overhead of switching between different tools and systems. Additionally, GitLab is a popular alternative to GitHub, offering a similar set of features but with a different approach and pricing model. Many organizations and developers have chosen to adopt GitLab as their preferred platform for managing their software projects. GitLab offers a wide range of features that make it a powerful platform for software development and collaboration. Let's dive into some of the key features that make GitLab stand out. First and foremost, GitLab provides robust Git repository management capabilities. You can easily manage your source code in a centralized Git repository, collaborate on code changes through merge requests and code reviews, and protect your code with advanced security features. In addition to version control, GitLab also offers comprehensive project management tools. You can track issues, tasks, and milestones, manage project roadmaps and timelines, and automate workflows with custom rules and integrations. This helps teams stay organized and aligned throughout the development process. Another key feature of GitLab is its continuous integration and deployment capabilities. GitLab allows you to automatically build, test, and deploy your applications, integrating with popular CI/CD tools like Jenkins, Travis CI, and Circle CI. This helps ensure code quality and security by running automated tests and scans as part of the deployment pipeline. Finally, GitLab excels at collaboration and sharing. You can easily share your work with team members and external stakeholders, discuss and comment on code, issues, and merge requests, and assign tasks and responsibilities to team members. This fosters a collaborative environment and helps teams work together more effectively. Now that we've covered the key features of GitLab, let's take a look at the typical GitLab workflow that teams can follow to manage their software development projects. The first step is to create a new Git repository in GitLab to store your project's source code. This provides a centralized location for your team to collaborate on the code base. As you and your team members work on the project, you'll commit your changes to the repository and push them to GitLab. This allows everyone to stay up to date with the latest changes and collaborate on the code base. When you're ready to merge your changes, you'll create a merge request. This allows your team to review the changes, provide feedback, and ultimately merge the changes into the main branch of the repository. GitLab's continuous integration and deployment features then automatically build, test, and deploy your application as changes are merged into the main branch. This helps ensure code quality and streamlines the deployment process. Finally, you can use GitLab's project management tools to track issues, tasks, and milestones, and collaborate with your team on the overall development process. This helps keep everyone aligned and focused on the project's goals and objectives. By following this GitLab workflow, teams can effectively manage their software development projects, from initial code commits to final deployment, all within a single integrated platform. When it comes to GitLab, it's important to understand the pricing and deployment options available to you and your organization. GitLab offers a range of pricing plans, including a free community edition and paid tiers for larger organizations. The paid tiers provide additional features and support, such as advanced security, compliance, and enterprise-level support. The pricing is based on the number of users and the specific features required. In terms of deployment options, GitLab can be used in different ways. 1. GitLab.com. GitLab's hosted and managed service is the easiest way to get started with GitLab. This option allows you to use GitLab without having to worry about the underlying infrastructure or maintenance. 2. Self-hosted. If you prefer more control over the platform, you can install GitLab on your own infrastructure, either on premises or in a cloud environment. This gives you the flexibility to customize and integrate GitLab with your existing systems and workflows. 3. GitLab Runner. GitLab Runner is a lightweight service that runs your CI/CD jobs. It can be deployed on-premises or in the cloud, providing flexibility for your continuous integration and deployment needs. Depending on your organization's requirements, available resources, and IT infrastructure, you can choose the deployment option that best fits your needs. GitLab's flexibility in deployment options allows you to tailor the platform to your specific requirements and integrate it seamlessly into your software development lifecycle. GitLab is a versatile platform that can be used in a variety of use cases. Let's explore some of the key areas where GitLab is commonly used. 1. Software development. GitLab is widely used for managing the entire software development lifecycle, from code management to deployment. Teams can use GitLab to store their source code, collaborate on code changes, and automate their build and deployment processes. 2. DevOps. GitLab's integrated continuous integration and continuous deployment (CI/CD) tools make it a popular choice for DevOps teams. They can use GitLab to automate their build, test, and deployment processes, ensuring code quality and streamlining the delivery of their applications. 3. Collaboration and project management. GitLab's project management features such as issue tracking and task management make it a valuable tool for teams to collaborate on projects. Developers, designers, and project managers can work together within the GitLab platform, improving communication and coordination. 4. Open source projects. GitLab is a popular platform for hosting and managing open source projects. Its features like merge requests and code reviews make it easy for contributors to collaborate on the codebase and maintain the project's quality. 5. Enterprise-level security and compliance. GitLab's advanced security features and compliance capabilities make it a suitable choice for organizations with strict security and regulatory requirements. This includes features like role-based access control, audit logging, and support for industry-standard compliance frameworks. By understanding these use cases, you can better evaluate how GitLab can be leveraged to address the specific needs of your organization or project. Now that you have a good understanding of what GitLab is and its key features, let's discuss how you can get started with GitLab. The first step is to sign up for a GitLab account. You can visit the GitLab website at https:/gitlab.com and create a new account. This will give you access to the GitLab platform and allow you to start using its features. Once you have an account, the next step is to create a new project. This is where you'll store your project's source code and collaborate with your team. You can do this by clicking on the New Project button within the GitLab interface. After creating your project, you'll want to invite your team members to join. You can assign them different roles and permissions, allowing them to contribute to the project and collaborate effectively. As you and your team start working on the project, you'll use Git to commit your changes to the repository and push them to GitLab. This will allow everyone to stay up to date with the latest changes and participate in the development process. When you're ready to merge your changes, you'll create a merge request. This will trigger a review process where your team members can provide feedback and ultimately approve the changes to be merged into the main branch. Finally, be sure to explore all of GitLab's features, such as issue tracking, project management, and continuous integration and deployment. These tools can help you streamline your development workflow and improve collaboration within your team. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to getting started with GitLab and leveraging its powerful capabilities for your software development projects. In summary, GitLab is a powerful and comprehensive DevOps platform that provides a wide range of features to support the entire software development lifecycle. Some of the key takeaways from this presentation include: 1. GitLab offers robust Git repository management, project management, continuous integration and deployment, and collaboration tools all within a single platform. 2. GitLab provides flexible deployment options, including a hosted service and self-hosted solutions, allowing organizations to choose the option that best fits their needs. 3. GitLab can be used for a variety of use cases, such as software development, DevOps, collaboration, open source projects, and enterprise-level security and compliance. 4. To get started with GitLab, you can sign up for an account, create a new project, invite team members, and explore the platform's features to streamline your development workflow. By understanding the capabilities and use cases of GitLab, you can evaluate how it can be leveraged to improve your software development and collaboration processes, ultimately driving greater efficiency and productivity within your organization.